right, Grand Rising, everybody. Grand Rising. Obviously, this is Mr. Cotton here. I know I said yesterday will be my last day of TELPAS testing, but I do have to finish a few students today. So we're going to have one more online day. I do appreciate everybody for adjusting to the circumstances. So I do want to say thank you to all my students, all right? So for today, it's going to be a relatively short day. I have two things that we're going to work on. So, of course, it says March 26th online class. Just letting you know, I am finishing TELPAS in the gym. We're going to have an asynchronous day. So, there will be a video that's right here. I'm going to upload it, obviously, after this video. So, you'll see it here as you're watching it. But anyway, you can reach me at my email here or here if you have any questions. So you can click this link or the read more. It doesn't matter. And for today, our first thing is the same warm-up as yesterday, all right? If you did not get a chance to finish the CDC social distancing article, the one that talks about CDC relaxes social distancing for schools as long as students wear masks, then please read this article right here. Okay, please read this article right here. And complete the form that goes along with it. It's just asking you, two questions. Write a summary about the article, some important things you found, and also a personal connection you made with the article. COVID-19 has definitely impacted all students across the world, and what do you think about this article as it relates to yourself? Then, of course, submit. All right? You only work on this if you did not finish it yesterday. I can tell who did finish it, so you know who you are, all right? And then for today's task, we are going to work on 2 editing sheets. Now, everybody's going to do these editing sheets. We're about to start getting ready for the STAR writing test that's coming up very soon. That's going to be our gear shift from poetry starting next week. So I wanted to give you 2 practice paragraphs that I want you to edit. So when you open them up, of course, it's editing and proofreading a paragraph. So below we have this paragraph right here, and there are a couple mistakes. Maybe there are some spelling mistakes, punctuation mistakes, capitalization mistakes, or grammar. So I want you to go through, read this paragraph, and then you're going to rewrite it with the needed corrections. Like, for example, right here I can already see the word every is spelled wrong. So, when you rewrite it, you would write that word correctly. And, you'll do the rest if you see any other corrections that need to be made, okay? Same thing for this worksheet right here. Just a different paragraph, but same thing. You're looking for spelling, punctuation, capitalization, or grammar errors, all right? You're going to rewrite it with the correct, in its correct form, okay? Like, for example, again, you see the word understand, it's spelled incorrectly. It's supposed to be a D right there. So when you rewrite this paragraph, you will rewrite the word understand correctly. And if you're wondering where you submit this worksheet, there's going to be a link right here. I'm going to add it right now after this video, so you will see it. I'm going to add a link right there where you can submit it. Same kind of deal. You'll click the link, kind of like the CDC form. You'll click the link and you'll type your retype paragraph in the boxes below. It does say you must retype the paragraphs with the needed corrections. So that's what I want you to do when I add that form, okay? If you have any questions, please email me. I will be in a collaborate session, but please watch the video because I do feel like, the video will explain everything you have to do as long as you listen and pay attention to what I'm saying, okay? You all have a nice day. I will talk to you all later. Stay safe and enjoy your Friday. I will see you on Monday.